How to delete Threads application on your Android device. If you are done using the Threads account and you'd like to get rid of the app from your smartphone, then here's how you can do it. Simply go ahead and close off your Threads app and get to the main home screen from your Android phone. Now, go ahead and find the Threads application in the app drawer. Press hold the app for a few seconds and you'll be able to see a pop-up. Tap on uninstall and then tap on the OK button in the pop-up. Wait for a few seconds and there you have successfully deleted your Threads application. Pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thanks for watching.